So this video is going to show you how to access your fresh air vent. If you need to clean it out for odors like I'm having, or there could be debris in it over time. This vehicle's from 2008, so it's been a long time, and there's going to be crud in there. One of the things you'll have to do is remove this little rubber stripping. Now you might be able to get to the vent, which is located under here, by popping these little tabs, just a flat blade screwdriver. Make sure your stem's all the way up, and then pull your pin. And there's a couple other pins located around, mine are missing, around the front, and then you also have two up in the corners. Okay, so if you're gonna have to remove the whole bezel, one of the things you'll have to do is move your windshield wipers. And you can pop this cap off like that, or with a screwdriver, and you can see the nut. The nut comes off, and then you pull your stem out. You may have to tap it lightly just to get it to sit, but they're kind of grooved on there. And just remember the position of your windshield wipers when you took them off. Alright, so I've got my pins pulled out, and you can lift up underneath, and here you can see the fresh air vent. We'll get that little rubber thing out of the way. So here's the grill for it. And you can get in here with a small shop vac with an attachment to clean the crud out. Here you can see I've got all kind of debris up in here, pine needles and stuff. And if you need to, this is held on by screws. Can't really get in there to see, but there's 4 of them around the corner if you really need to get inside. But most of the time you're probably just gonna have crud built up around here. And when you go to put this back on, you may want to put a little seal of silicone RTV or something just on the edge if your strip doesn't hold into place fine. So if your vehicle's 2008 or newer, you'll have a cabin filter located behind your glove box. What you do is you press inward on the 2 upper tabs, and then it folds down like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you inside my glove box. This is the switches where it switches to internal air. If I had the air filter, there would be a rectangular bar here, a little cap with tabs on either end. And I could pop that out, and there's a cartridge filter that fits in there. They said that all 2008s have it and newer. Mine's a 2008 and does not have it, so I could have been end of production year or something. So you may have a 2008 with no internal air cartridge. And that's easy enough to replace, and then the cap just pops back on. I hope this video helps, and there you have it.